visibility of our agent. Machine learning at each endpoint builds a profile of normal, then flags deviations. And training users in the moment of risk supports user alignment with information security programs and the business. So folks, for a more detailed view, please see one of our agents here next to me on my left, not this guy over there, for a full demonstration. And now, let's get to the real reason why all of you are here. You weren't here for my charming British accent, you were not here for the presentation, you guys are here for the $100 American Express gift card! If you're ready to get home with $100 American Express gift card, everybody say, woo! Say it like you mean it! Woo! Awesome, awesome. Real quick, the last chance. Do the demo. Before we close down, you'll get a chance to take home $1,000 if you can open the lock with the code. But let's get to the reason why you're here. Everybody, show me that winning raffle ticket. The winning raffle ticket is, everybody, it's the last show of the last presentation. Can I get a drum roll, please? Drum roll. The winning raffle ticket number is... Oh my God! Any requests? 116506.
Oh my God!
116506. Going once. Going twice. Wait. Guys, our final winner. Give it up. Yes, take off your hat. You, sir, are an honest man. Congratulations. Enjoy. Thank you. Guys, thank you for being here at RSA. Get home safely. Thank you for joining us here at Next. Maybe we'll see you at Black Hat. If not, see you all next year. Safe travels, everybody. Allez, cadeau. Thank you. Merci beaucoup. Enchanté, un plaisir. À la prochaine. George. Thank you, George. Appreciate you, bro. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Thanks for coming in. We'll see you next year.
Bonne chance, à bientôt. J'ai fait des keynotes.